We're going to change the cabin air filter here on this 2017 Volt. Pull this side panel off. Not much to that. Pull this down, and there's a few 7mm bolts here we're going to have to take out and get this thing out. Okay, now all these bolts are out. One in the back, one up here, one there, on the bottom, and then one on that side. Let's give this a couple tugs, push down on it. The entire glove box assembly comes out. Air box, air filter cover plate is right here. And just take this on this side, pull it down, and we get access to the air filter. Which looks like it's kind of dirty in this car. Yep. Yep, that's dirty. Okay, so to replace that, I'm going to slide in a new one, repeat to put it back in.